Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are doing great. And I am missing all of you. Are you missing your teacher or not? Okay, welcome to all of you in your math class. In your math class, we are going to learn a very new and interesting topic, that is time. Today we are going to learn about time. First, I will tell you the importance of time. Do you know the importance of time? Okay, time is very important in our life because in our whole life we have to follow the time. For instance, when we have to get up early in the morning, we set alarm of time. So we have to get up early in the morning at this time. When you are going to school, you come here school, so you follow the time because you have to come school on time, like when you go school, so that is a time. When you go back to your home, so that is fixed time. At 12:30 you have to go back to your home. So we have to follow time in our whole life. So this is why time is important in our life. So now we will learn time. Okay, today we will learn about o'clock. O'clock. Okay, as you can see here, I made a clock for you. First we will learn about o'clock. Okay, in clock you can see two hands. One is a long hand. This is called long hand. What is called long hand? Or long hand, you can say a minute hand as well. Long hand or a minute hand. And the second one is called a short hand. This is a short hand or hour hand. That is called short hand or hour hand. In clock there are two hands. How many hands? Two hands. One hand is called long hand and a minute hand, and this one is short hand, that is called hour hand as well. Okay, in clock you can see a number from 1 to 12. From 1 to 12, that shows the time of the whole day. Like here you can see a short hand, that is hour hand also called, is on 8 number. 8 number. And the long hand or a minute hand is on 12. O'clock. 12 shows o'clock. 12 shows o'clock. So it means this clock shows 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Short hand is on 8 number and the long hand is on 12. 12 is called o'clock. So that is 8 o'clock. This clock shows 8 o'clock. Okay student, now we will learn more about time through activity and from your book. Okay students, now let's learn more about time through this activity. Here you can see a beautiful clock. Isn't it a beautiful clock? Yes, it's a very beautiful clock and smiling clock. And you can see numbers on the clock from 1 to 12. These numbers show the time of the clock. Okay, and two hands as well, short hand and the long hand. Short hand called hour hand and the long hand called minute hands. So through these hands we will know about the time. Okay, so I'll move short hand or hour hand on the 8 and long hand on the 12 because 12 shows o'clock. 12 shows o'clock. So what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock because short hand on the 8 and the long hand on the 12, and 12 means o'clock. So 8 o'clock, or it's the time of your school. When you come to school, it's 8 o'clock. Okay, now I'll move short hand or our hand on 2. So can you tell me what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 and 12 shows o'clock. So 2 o'clock. Okay, now I'll move. It's on number 5. So tell me, what time is it? Hurry up, tell me. It's 5 o'clock. Yes, it's 5 o'clock. Okay, now I will move this short hand on 9. So can you tell me what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Okay. Now I will move on number 11. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, when both needles or hands on the same position, can you tell me what time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, students. Okay, now we will learn about time from your book Countdown. So take out your book, Countdown. Take out your book, Countdown. Hurry up. And open the page number 78. Page number 78. Okay. Time. Here you can see about topic. It's time. Time. Okay, you can see different pictures of Adil's. So how Adil spent his day? So let's see. First picture, it's a morning time. When you get up early in the morning, like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, it's morning time, na? So Adil wakes up. It's a morning time. When you get up early in the morning, it's called a morning time. And Adil wakes up. Then he takes a bath and dresses. Okay, after that, he has his breakfast. After taking shower and dresses, he takes breakfast, and this is called a morning time. When you get up early in the morning, you take bath and change your clothes for the school, and after that you take breakfast. It's called a morning time, and it's like 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and you when come to school at 8 o'clock, it's a morning time. Okay, then it's afternoon time. when he take his lunch with friends, like you having a lunch at school with your friends, or you take lunch at home. So then he has lunch with his friend at afternoon, like 11:30 you take your lunch, or 11 o'clock, and then he leaves for his school. Okay, and he studies for a while at afternoon time. It's the afternoon time. Then when he take lunch, he leaves for school, and then he studies for a while, like you doing your homework at home. Are they also doing his homework at home? So after that, it's evening time when he is play. Adil plays for a while at evening. Now it's evening time when Adil has a dinner, and now it's a night time before going to bed. But does he sleep? Before he is sleeping, he reads something, as is shown in this picture. He may be reading a story book or a school book. So it's evening time and a night time. Evening time like 6 p.m., 7 p.m., or at night time it's 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So all these activities shows about time, about morning time, about afternoon time, about evening and night time. So here you can see a clock and numbers as well, from 1 to 12, from 1 to 12, and a long hand or a short hand. This is called a long hand and this is called a short hand. Long hand is a minute hand, or a short hand is a hour hand. So can you tell me what time is shown on the clock? Hurry up, tell me, what is the time in the clock? Because the minute hand is 12 o'clock and the hour hand is on 3 o'clock. So it means the time is 3 o'clock. Time shows 3 o'clock. So hope you understand the concept about time, how we know about the time. So today just we have learned about o'clock, students. So on further classes you can learn about more about the time. At the right time you just learned about o'clock. Okay, now we will move on the next page. It's a revision page. It's a revision page, page number 76. 76. Here you can see different shapes, and we already have learned about all these shapes. What you have to do, you have to match the shapes with correct names. You have to match the shapes with correct names. Okay, like circle in the book is already matched. Now what is the shape? It's a rectangle. So you have to match rectangle. Here you can see the rectangle. So how you match the picture with correct name? Like, what is the picture is this? It's a pentagon. Yes, so find it where it's right. A pentagon. Pentagon, pentagon. Yes, it's a pentagon. So match with pentagon. Okay, Can you tell me which picture is this? Yes, it's very easy. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. So you match the triangle like this, and it's a, recently we have learned about this picture, it's a hexagon. So now you will match hexagon like this. Okay dear students, you have to do all these exercise at home as well, and try to learn all these things which I have told you in online classes. So till then, take care and bye bye.